I'm Ismail and I'm the Director of Food and Beverage at Anantara Kihavah, Maldives Villas. I'm back home in the Maldives and I'm venturing out from Kihavah to the local islands where we can source some of our fresh ingredients and exploring more of what makes the Maldivian culture so special. We have a rich culinary history in the Maldives and my hope is that we can bring a taste of this to every guest that stays with us at Kihavah. So please join with me as we discover more of my homeland, the Maldives. Today we are heading south of Kihavah by speedboat to visit Shuja. His home island is Tuladu, and here we are seeing how the local curry paste is made using all local natural ingredients.
My name is Mohammad Shujal. I'm the restaurant manager of Sea Fire Sword at Anantara Kihavah Villas. So we are at Tuladu, Baitol Tuladu, and we are going to make today hawadu, which is curry powder. We will get all the ingredients together, fresh chili and dry chili and the onion and garlic and the pandan leaf and the curry leaf. And after that, we'll put all the ingredients in a big pot and they bake until it comes gold color. So then after that, so they will grind together all those ingredients together in a traditional method, like let's say local method.
The curry paste is made both wet and dry and used in a variety of seafood dishes. The toddy drink is a traditional local beverage that is harvested from the coconut tree.
Toddy is a very special drink for local, especially so the locals, they use that one to make the local sweets. And also wake up in morning, early morning, they drink a glass of toddy. So locals, they say, so they will feel very energetic.
It's a sweet, pungent juice which can be used in a number of ways. Reducing the toddy over heat makes a honey-like product which is also used in traditional cooking. Fishing and seafood is central to life in the Maldives. Here at Kihavah, we are always sourcing the very best fresh seafood from local suppliers, like lobsters that come straight off the boats. After careful inspection, our chefs select only the very best product for our guests. Today, I am on board one of our deep sea fishing boats to see what the ocean has in store for us. Our reef fish are caught daily for guests of our resort, and this way we can ensure sustainable and responsible fishing of our waters. The Maldives have a truly unique ecosystem which can present challenges and opportunities, especially for growing fresh produce. Today I'm visiting Madam Gamira on Anantara, where she has established an impressive farming operation, supplying fresh produce to many islands across the Maldives. Here on Anantara, they have an amazing crop of beans, papayas, pumpkins, coconuts, and Maldivian chilies, much of which we use back at Kihavah, just a short trip across the water. The passion that Madam Gamira has for fresh fruit and vegetables is quite inspirational. I'm heading back to Tuladu to join Shuja and his family for a traditional beach barbecue of lobsters, snappers, bonito and other reef fishes, cooked over coconut coals, producing a gentle heat that cooks the fish to perfection.
The beach barbecue is very traditional way which the local people which they do. First of all, they will cut the palm trees and after that they make a skewer from that. But before they skewer, what they do is they apply the hawadu. This is a bonito fish, and also like let's say there's some reef fish which is red snapper and the white snapper. And the best thing is this is how we do in traditional way in Ba Atoll and all over the Maldives. So after they apply the paste on the fish, so they will put the skewer on the fish. They arrange nicely in the coconut charcoal, and once it's turned two sides, once it's finished the grill, so it will be amazing to eat actually. So especially with chapati, local traditional coconut chapati.
It's been such a pleasure to spend time with the people of Tuladu. Our Dining by Design dinner is one of our most popular guest experiences and one that represents a range of ideas and influences that we have been exploring over the past few episodes. I hope you have enjoyed journeying with me, and my hope is that you will experience some truly unique food and wine while staying with us at Anantara Kihavah. Thank you, shukriya, and bye for now.